Wolfpack 24PACK14 Plus. Get out there and run full CCs with the Wolfpack 24PACK14 Plus. There's no need to cut the fun short for a gas station run when you fill up your external fuel cell that comes equipped with a pump. Tire pressure monitors alert you of any changes as you're headed down the road so you can keep them filled with the proper pressure. Spend less time fussing with your hitch and more time hitting mud puddles on your ATVs with the help of the power tongue jack. After you unload your cargo from this huge 14-foot garage, you can turn it into living space using the rollover sofas and happijac power bed. Enjoy this area as a lounge, pop the table in for a dinette, or turn the sofas into a bed for a huge bunkhouse. With the convection oven, you'll have quick and even heating for all your baked dishes. The 8 cubic foot double door refrigerator runs on gas or electric, so it stays cool wherever you go. Keep your vanity clutter-free by stashing all your toiletries in the medicine cabinet. You'll have a place for everything in the master bedroom with 2 wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and underbed storage. Fall into the comfort of the soft queen bed at night and wake rejuvenated and ready to go again. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.